everyone, my name is Elisa Melani, class management B. Now, I'm gonna answer a few questions and explain a few things. Skill 3. Answer state detailed question correctly. A state detailed question asks about one piece of information in the passage rather than the passage as a whole. The answers to this question are generally given in order the passage, and the correct answer is often a statement of what is given in the passage. This means that the correct answer often expresses the same idea as what is written in the passage, but the words are not exactly the same. Jadi intinya, kita harus menemukan jawaban yang sesuai dengan paragraf yang diberikan. Jawaban yang benar yaitu jawaban yang topiknya atau idenya tuh sama dengan yang ada di paragraf, tetapi kata-katanya tuh tidak harus sama persis dengan yang ada di paragraf. Example, the passage Williamsburg is a historic city in Virginia situated on a peninsula between two rivers, the York and the James. It was settled by English colonists in 1632, 26 years after the first permanent English colony in America was settled at Jamestown. In the beginning, the colony at Williamsburg was named Middle Plantation because of its location in the middle of the peninsula. The site for Williamsburg had been selected by the colonists because the soil drainage was better there than at Jamestown location and there were fewer mosquitoes. The question. Question number 1. According to the page, Williamsburg is located. Artinya, dalam paragraf tersebut, di mana lokasi William? A. On an island. B. In the middle of a river. C. Where the York and the James meet. D. On a piece of land with rivers on two sides. The answer is D. With rivers on two sides in the closest in meaning to between two rivers. Question number 2. The passage indicates that Jamestown, yang artinya dalam paragraf tersebut di mana kutipan mana yang menunjukkan tentang Jamestown. A. Was settled in 1633. B. Was settled 26 years after Williamsburg. C. Was the first permanent English colony in America. D. Was originally named Middle Plantation. The answer is C. Karena ada dalam kutipan tentang Jamestown. Question number 3. The passage states that the name Middle Plantation. Jadi, dalam pertanyaan 3 ini, kalian harus menemukan bagian mana yang mendiskusikan tentang topik tersebut. Jawaban dari pertanyaan tersebut dapat ditemukan dalam statement Williamsburg was named Middle Plantation because of its location in the middle of the peninsula. The answer is B is correct because it is closest in meaning to this statement. Dan kita langsung ke contoh soalnya. Tugas exercise 3. Passage 1. Ice Age. Those periods when ice covered extensive area of the earth are known to have occurred at least 6 times. Past ice age can be recognized from rock strata that show advance of voyage materials deposited by moving walls of ice-melting glaciers. Ice age can also be recognized from land information that have been processed from moving walls of ice, such as U-shaped valleys, sculptured landscape, and polished rock face. Question number 1. According to the passage, what happens during an ice age? The answer A. Rock strata are recognized by geologists. B. Advance of forage materials id found. C. Ice covers a large portion of the Earth's surface. And D. Ice melts 6 times. The answer is C. Ice covers a large portion of the Earth's surface, because that answer is the first sentence. Question number 2. The passage covers how many different methods of recognizing past ice age? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, and D. 4. The answer is B. 2. Question number 3. According to the passage, what in the rock strata is a clue to geologists of a past ice age? A. Ice. B. Melting glaciers. C. U-shaped valley. And D. Substance from other area. The answer is B, because the answers are relevant with past ice age can be recognized from rock strata that show advance of forage materials deposited by moving walls of ice or melting glaciers. And that is all I can explain. Thank you for attention and goodbye.